Hi guys, in today's video we'll talk about 5 things to worry about. More than worry, it's about 5 things to take care of in the quant section of the CAT exam. So point number 1 on my list is a sectional location. First is verbal, second is dialogic, third is quant. By the time you reach quant, your motivation level, your confidence level is down. And especially those who hate quant, you will be feeling very sad or very demotivated during that phase. Plus, the main problem is if you do not do well in the other two section, any other two section, verbal or DI logic, you will be feeling the pinch when the quant section come. So that's something you take care of. So how to avoid that? Number one, see, if you look at the cricketer, see, a person who is playing the whole inning, he is used to standing on the pitch running for the whole day. Just imagine the kind of stamina they have to build for themselves. So you have to build your stamina so that you can last for the last leg. Yeah, last 40 minutes become very crucial in that case. So section location wise, that's the main point quant. I have seen students जिनका सर घूम जाता है, सर दर्द होता है, ये है वो है, because they're not used to giving that many mocks. So give as much mocks as you can, especially sit for the last time. Be attentive so they get used to that. Okay, point number 1. Point number 2 is the difficulty level. Okay, over the years, quant ka level of difficulty have gone down, drastically gone down. Look at the CAT 2007-8 का paper. Look at the CAT 2018-19 का paper. You will feel the difference between that. The difficulty have gone down. It's, trust me, not at all as difficult as the mocks you are taking. Yeah, because most of the classes are giving you a very tough mock. उतना tough paper नहीं आता है. CAT का paper is comparatively much more easier. Okay. ट्रस्ट मी यार, यू कैन स्टिल डू इट. पब्लिक डिमोटिवेट हो रहा है, रेस से निकल रहा है, लगे रहो. ऑल माई एडवाइस इज स्टे इन द रेस. यू कैन स्टिल डू इट. ट्रस्ट मी यार, कट ऑफ क्लियर करना इज सिंपल. एंड दैट इज माई नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. Number 3 point is the different type of questions. Now I will give you the syllabus of the CAT exam here. So I'll just see the list. So this is a complete syllabus. Now most of the people ignore modern maths, जबकि modern maths is more important. Yeah. So modern maths हो गया, geometry, numbers. I've given the value of each of them. You have to understand that. And trust me, for the last few years, mota, this is the breakup. So the breakup is here. So these are the topics you have to worry about. You have to take care of. If you have not done any of these topics, you please work on them so that you are aware of all these topics. Okay. Point number 4 on the list is the cutoff. Now you have to clear the cutoff. That should be your main target, especially those who are not that great with quant. Your focus is very simple. Clear the cutoff. बस cutoff हम hello सब ठीक हो जाएगा अपने आप. Yeah. So I'm giving the cutoff here now. So this is the cutoff for the quant section. So that you need to focus on. So you have to pick up the number now. You have 10 more days. Trust me guys, you have 10 more days. 20th of November, not 10 exactly, but yeah, 8 more days to finalize your attempt. 20th of November and 22nd of November, 1 week before the CAT exam will finalize कि भाई मैं इतना करने वाला हूँ. It can be 10, 12, 15, 20, whatever can be number of attempts. You have to finalize the attempt. So cutoff is here. Look at this यार, बस ये you have to just touch this number. Yeah, and you click the cutoff. And most of the IIMs, even IIM Ahmedabad, 95 percentile is more than sufficient to clear the cutoff. So your target should be 95 percentile. Yeah, 90 percentile, especially in the weaker section, kind of thing. So, cutoff. Last is the time issue. I don't believe that quant में timer issue आएगा. See, DI logic में ज़्यादा आएगा because in doing 4 sets, one set requires 10-12 minute का time. Quant is individual questions. So time मतलब obviously as 60 become 40, there will be a drop in the number of question attempt and everything. Yes, of course that's going to be there. But quant question typically takes 2 minute का time. Yeah. So 40 minutes I can do around 20 question. आम आदमी can look at 20 question, can try to solve. नहीं हो पाया बात अलग है, नहीं कर पाया बात अलग है, नहीं करना चाहा बात अलग है. वो that's a different story. But you can touch upon around 15 to 20 questions. So timer will not be a major issue, but you have to take care of that. That ideal time per question I believe is 2 minutes. Yeah, you can make it 3 also, depending on which target you want to achieve. By the way, the cutoff I show you was the number of questions correct, not attempt. Alright, so these are the 5 things you take care of. Sectional timing, sectional location, difficulty, different type of question, the basically the syllabus. Try to do every type of question. हर type of question करके जाओ. See, I don't like logs, for example. Logs, I'll do the basic level. I'll not go into the advanced of logs. But the topics like, which are my favorite, percentages, I'll go deep into the percentages. ठीक है, पर छोड़ो मत यार. You never know the log. 2 question log का आएगा यार. You never know. Why to leave the topic? Yeah, I will show the syllabus again here. Now this is the syllabus from the CAT exam point of view. Log 2 क्वेश्चन, फंक्शन ग्राफ 2 क्वेश्चन, मॉडर्न मैथ्स इज द एरिया यू नीड टू, APGPR एक क्वेश्चन हर साल APGP का आता है. If you have not done this topic yet, please do them. Alright, so all the best. I'll be making more videos like this for verbal and dialogic as well. So all the best.